Guys, there's a new update in Umama sa JP. Wikiseki made her own debut tomorrow. Yes, it is real, guys. It is real. I've been planning this for almost like 7 months. Kiseki, also known as Yogesek, na Fuji Kiseki because Fuji Kiseki is everywhere. Tanggal Fuji, tapos si Kiseki naman ang mag-debut buwas. Yes, I know you cannot say that one anymore. Ha 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 ha. Don't know about Kiseki, it's more like Fuji Kiseki, but tanggal ang Fuji, tapos Kiseki lang. And Kiseki means South Park, same as Nocelia song. Let's not forget her new voice actress, like even last month or last 2 weeks. But yeah, Kiseki will come by tomorrow because I don't have the class 3 for 5 TikTok overs. Kiseki tomorrow na naman.